Design and function improves agility and strength. Swing movement helps to boost balance and coordination. Includes vinyl-dipped chains for pinch-free play. Includes all items necessary for installation, platform, V-brackets, chains, hardware and instructions, swing hangers sold separately. For backyard residential use only. Cannot ship to a commercial address. They're going to stand on that swing seat anyway, so you might as well get them the Swing N Slide stand-up swing so that they can sway in the breeze safely. This sturdy plastic platform with pinch-free grip chains is designed specifically for standing. The large 14 by 14-inch square platform can support up to 115 pounds and features a textured, slip-resistant surface. Compatible with almost any swing set. Not intended for commercial use. Meets or exceeds ASTM standards. Dimensions: 14.75 L x 14.5 W x 3.5 H in vinyl-dipped chains, prevent pinching and rust. Green platform and chains. Includes all installation materials. Swing movement improves balance, core body strength, and coordination. Weight capacity: 115 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to assemble fun swing. Love this stand-up swing. I am the grandma and I assembled the swing quickly and easily with one side open wrench, by not reading the instructions, but looking at the pictures I decided to get my grandson a stand-up swing after he attempted to stand on a flexible swing and fell off really hard on his arm. He is a tough 6-year-old, but it really hurt his arm. Of course, being the grandma that I am, I went in search of a stand-up swing. If my little buddy wants to stand in the swing, stand he will, in the correct swing. My grandson loved it and both stood and sat in it, said it was not uncomfortable. The swing is well made. The chain is covered with a thick rubber coating. I am very happy with this swing, put it up on an existing swing set. Very happy with this purchase.